Hi, welcome back guys, and today we're going to do a glow plug change on this Audi TT. It's a 2 litre TDI 170. Now you barely need any tools on this one, as I'll show you here. All you need is a 10mm deep socket with a long extension ratchet, obviously the glow plugs, a screwdriver and long nose pliers. So on this one, so this is the 170 breaker standard. Now this is the later, what they call a later 170. The earlier one, the glow plugs are inside the head, so you had to take the rocker cover off and it's a bit of a pain. So on this one it's revised, so literally all you do is you take the plastic cover off and the glow plugs are there by the intake manifold. So yeah, let's get into this and start taking it apart. So first things first, let's take the engine cover off. Now in here, there, and there, down these little tiny tunnels are the glow plugs. So what we'll do, take the long nose pliers, we go down inside, pop it off, pull the cable off, and there it is, down inside that tube. Now we get 10mm, slide it down in. Now I do advise to warm the engine up a little bit, just so it doesn't grip the glow plug so much, because it's an aluminium head, so the aluminium will expand and allow you to take them out. Right. Oh. And there it is. So that's a very well worn glow plug. So what we do is we take the new one and check the length, the thread are all the same, which they are perfect. So then we'll put it in, guide it down in. Now I take it off of the ratchet and do it by hand, so you know you're not cross threading it, because the last thing you want to do is cross thread it, because the threads in an aluminium block are very fine and are easily taken back out again. So just screw it up. Right, so you feel getting tight. There we go, a little tweak. Take that out. Now, what is awkward, so you pass the cable and the cap back down, but because the cap wants to bend away from the top, I just use a screwdriver to guide it down and over. There she goes, and then just use the same screwdriver to pop it on. There, and that's that one. So it's as simple as that. Then obviously you just come to the next one, pop it off, out it comes. There she goes. Oh. Yep, about the same colour as the last one. So in goes the new one. Again, catch it by finger. Once you know it's gone in and it's not threading, which is that's it. Now the old 170 motor was an absolute pig because you had to take the whole rocker cover off and everything. It was an absolute nightmare, to be fair. And yeah, these are a bit of a faff to get the covers, the caps back on them. Sorry, not covers. There she goes. There's another one on. It's nice and tight. It's tight. So, next one. There she goes. Pop it off. In we go. Oh, that's the best one yet. That just slipped. Sometimes they're quite stiff coming in and out. Do that one, undo it and just do it by hand. That looks like that one is the one that's been having issues. Yeah, if you look at those together, because it's come up on the ECU on the reader as a glow plug that's gone. So that, looking at it, is the one. It's always nice to see it because sometimes it comes up and you just don't know. And I will say, if you've got a code reader and it says cylinder number 1 glow plug failed, don't just change that one, change all 4. They've all been in the engine the same amount of time, so it's only ever going to cause more trouble than it's worth. So always replace all 4 when you do them. Right, like I said, a little bit of a fiddle. There she goes. That's on. Give it a light tug and it's not coming off. So last and not least, it's a little bit stiffer, but she's popped off fine. In we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see that one there, see 3 of them all look exactly the same, and then you've got the one that's quite obviously not working. So last one in the deep socket, run it down and in, catch it by finger. Once you know it's right, it starts stiffening up. There she goes. And there we go. Right, so get that back in, guide it down over, that one is just, that's it. Right, okay, so that's all 4 done. As you can see, one is quite obviously knackered. So let's go start her up and see if we've lost a code then, shall we? Right then, let's see if the light goes out now then. Now obviously on these cars you've got to press the clutch in before you start it. So there's a warning light and all gone. Perfect, lovely. Sorry about the bright red, I'm boiling. So there we go, nice easy job, saves you going to a garage and getting rinsed for it. So hope that helps guys. Let us know in the comments, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.